Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. We out here at the street. Imperial's meet. Got a bunch of cars out here behind me, bunch of people. We get ready to walk around, get ready to show you what we got out here. Oh, look at him, look, he come running, look. Look, he see me, he come running. you might be. Hold on, no, we're dealing that. He might be my... Yeah, he might be my biggest fan. Yeah, there's my biggest fan right there. Huh? You say what? You plead the fifth?
I'm your biggest fan.
This gotta be my biggest fan. This dude posts me on his stories all the time. You just started.
What?
You just started. You just started. He posts me on his stories all the time. You see what it is?
Because we're Ravens fans,
You
man.
see?
You guys show that support.
You see what it is? Ravens all day.
I'm your biggest fan. Hey, leave me alone.
Need to let me review this Jeep. He said it's slow. You see that 6'4" right there?
I heard you get them made,
Oh, the catch game? Yeah, it's playing. So you got this. Got the 300. Another 392 right here. You see the stripes? See the hood? There you go. Oh yeah? That's how you pull up? Of course he on bags. Bertinis. It's RT Punisher right here. My biggest fan. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all be on there. Y'all be on the channel. You guys will be on the channel. Subscribe to the channel. You say wings and things. Doing good.
Oh, very nice. I saw you pulling in.
Oh, you did? You gonna be on there. Got the GT Challenger. Red, my favorite color, believe it or not. And I got black. I got black and purple. What's up? I don't know. What is? I'm a Ravens fan. Got the Chrysler 300. Got German tag on it. Classy. Of course we got. You know what we got. Mr. Hellcat TV himself. Woo! Ain't nothing like it. Hey, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Then you already subscribed?
I'm already subscribed, bro.
Yeah, well,
I like this
better be Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, that's a sticker.
Yep, this is a sticker. Exactly, I appreciate it. B out here, I forgot I got B. I gotta show B some love. Ugh. I don't even be showing up no more. Forgot about the Scatty. I think I got my baddie right there. Woo! The Scatty and the baddie. Little youngins right there. Oh, look at them AGs. I'm about to turn it on accessory mode so I can run the lights. You think it's gonna kill the battery? I hope not. I hope it don't kill the battery. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. You guys be on there. she like, what's up? Like, what's up? It's a sticker. You throw it on your laptop, fridge, whatever. Man, I love that FA green. 392 Hemi with the AFE power intake. SRT is one of the dopest bodies to me. I like this body more than the new body. Not the wide body, but the newer model. 392 Durango. Got another SRT 8 Jeep 6.1 in it. And plain black with the sunroof. Got another Challenger 392. Toward red. Got the Mans. Of course, he's bagged. We got the wrap on there. See the flake. Another Camaro. One of my old cars, I had a CTS-V V2. Same thing, 4-door. I didn't have a sunroof though. Got a Slam truck out here. Oh yeah, he's on the ground. Sheesh. Sheesh. He riding slammed out here. Got all the decals. Oh, look at that. Hellcat TV. Uh-oh, we got a DeLorean. Uh-oh. You want me to look at this? He want me to look at this because you know I'm a Ravens fan. I like your gear. Hey, how you feel about that infamous play? You don't want to talk about it? Y'all gotta rectify that, man. It's still stinging. I know it is. Got a Nissan out here. What's up? What's up? Got some of the head turners out here. It's rap dope. I want to hang with the cool guys. Hey, I still got it. I still got it on my car, technically. You know what I mean? It's still over there. Oh man.
As long as you roll in the Mopar, you cool.
I know, right? Hey, I know, right? I ain't want to say nothing to him. You know what I mean? I didn't want to say nothing to him. Hey man, I'm the only wide body Hellcat out here. Oh man, I got my moment right now. That's my moment. Next thing I know, they gonna pop up everywhere and shit. Oh, thing's clean. We just gave him shit for his ZL1. It's clean though, super clean. president right here. Washington head turners. Got the 6'4". Oh, he got some big arrow on there, man. There you go. Oh, I caught him slipping. Oh, I caught him slipping. I caught him slipping. Mr. Fusio. Look, he get tire stickers, he don't know how to act.
Say one word for me.
What's that?
Just say two.
I'm not.
Say two.
Nope.
You gotta say something, give me something.
No.
You vlogging, you gotta give me something.
Nope.
How you doing? You alright, brother?
Huh?
You alright?
So you got jokes. I ain't got time.
You gotta say something.
What you want to say?
Two.
Two?
Two.
Two?
Hey man, I gotta call Call of Duty. You be like, yo, you
This man gets some tire stickers. He don't know how to act. You see it? Serious mindset. Why so serious? I gotta get my tire stickers, man. I need them. This thing clean. That's the one I did the little review on. Mr. Fusio. Oh yeah. Subscribe to the channel. You see it? Subscribe. Mr. Serious Lane. And you got Mr. Car Reviews with Foos. Got the Michael Knight on there. Huh? Yeah, I got one. Oh yeah, they look good.
So,
Oh yeah.
so Mr. Drew, shout out to you. I appreciate it. You see, he got this thing all sparkly and glittery. So, Mr. Drew will pretty much do anything you need. So, the
Yeah.
glow in the dark, the black, the whatever. Like, you just gotta say so, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate it.
You better put some more red on there.
I was thinking purple, but you stole purple.
Whoa, I stole it?
You stole it.
Whoa, baby.
Oh, wait.
Whoa. This is where I was born and raised, bro. You better.
Look.
I live in Washington, but this is with me all the time.
See, the accent came out
There you
quick.
go.
Hey.
There you go.
Man, look at these muscles, man. Look at these muscles. This is beautiful.
It's the first time in a minute I seen all these American muscle cars, man.
Beautiful. I'm in heaven right now. This is heaven right now. Then of course you got your
Mind you,
1 and 2.
Washington is Ricer City. Like they known for rice cars. And I gotta go over there and hit those cars too. But I'm gonna stop at B real quick.
So this is blue. E5 blue.
Got a couple more over here. See, he bagged. See, I like this body more than the than my Scat.
Really?
Yeah, I love this body, bro.
Look at that, guys. You got that carbon on that thing.
The APR front splitter. Yeah, carbon hood.
Oh, man, I tell
On
you
them
what.
bags.
You guys don't know anything about cleaning.
Another SRT8.
Remember, I'm gonna put his information. Matter of fact, I can put it
Guess it's the Deadpool edition.
well, man, you gotta get all.
Hey, who up badge, bro? Hey, who up badge, bro? Yeah. Got the shaker.
He really did that bad.
This man up badge like I don't know what, dog. Mr. LED Customs
Hey,
talking about I can't. Hey, look, check this out. I've been wanting to get my underglow, you guys. My underglow, my wheel kit, all that. Hey, what you tell me, brother?
September.
Woo! This man just said September. He's a busy man. Look, he been blowing up like a mother. He been blowing up, man.
You gotta work.
He talking about see me in September. Uh-oh. Got another Jeep, super clean, SRT. See his business, Clear Choice Mortgage. You see the flag. You know what them 2 pipes about. Why you come up here beating like that? Got that psychedelic. Why you come up here beating like that? Psychedelic rap. Carbon fiber hood. He don't mess around. He do not mess around. Look at him, pull up beating down the block.
What's up, baby?
You still ain't get it fixed yet?
Nah, I'm rebuilding the wheel right now.
Damn.
Contemplating if I want to.
Why you take your thing off?
Which one? Oh, cuz, man. I'm about to put my logo up there, man.
Okay. Okay. So you the only one I seen with this psychedelic, man. And you talking about you want to change it?
Oh, no, I ain't gonna change it no more.
Yeah, I'm about to say you the only one I seen, man. Over there.
Is it parking over there?
I got both of them over there. I don't think it is. I think it might be a. I didn't even know he had the white calipers on here. That's clean. Of course, before I leave, I gotta get the only other Hellcat out here. It's that Go Mango. Sheesh. See it? That's where I bought my car. Renting CDJR. Yeah. Ah.
I forgot which came out.
Y'all already know I had to support the purple. This thing's super clean, man. Sheesh. I gotta get it. Oh, look at that.
But he's gonna interview you next. That's Raven 707 TV. Oh, Hellcat TV. I'm sorry, Hellcat TV. My bad.
I give you my sticker. Just add me on YouTube.
Yeah, for sure.
If you want to set it up, I review the car. We can talk all about it, man. It's clean though. Yeah. See, y'all about to make me do that, man. I'm getting ready to do it, man.
I ain't get no sticker.
First of all, you already subscribed to the channel.
No. I need a sticker.
This cat subscribed to the channel a long time ago. This thing clean as hell, man. God. Alright, make me miss my bags. I took them off of my 392. This thing just pulled up. It's crazy.